Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where I talk about my top stocks and also talk about cryptocurrency. If you're new, please click my subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, it's been a great week in the stock market since Wednesday. Jerome Powell mentioned a 0.25% rate cut. Stocks have surged dramatically, including Oklo, BMNR, and several other stocks like SoFi. Okay, so let's take a look at Oklo shares today and this week. Okay, here it is, Oklo, the nuclear power company. Once again, I don't know how many times I talk about this stock. It goes nuclear. It's up 28% on the day. Okay. That's not including the other days leading up to. Okay. So it is up for the week over 70%. So that means on Monday, if you'd have bought at $70, you'd be up over 70%. Okay. So we're talking about a share price of $79 at the beginning of the week, but by the end of the week, shares are well over $136 a share. So I hope you guys have been looking at some of my picks. Oklo up 70% on the week. Okay. Now I'm up 70%, looks like. Like I said, Oklo goes boom. The nuclear power infrastructure company, which shall support data centers, is up over 70% on the week. Okay. So that is my top stock of the day. Let's go over one more. BMNR. Okay. So we look at BMNR for the week. They're up 13%. Okay. They opened the week a little under $51 per share. And by the close, they're up over $61. Okay, so again, BitMine, the company similar to MicroStrategy, which they acquire Ethereum treasuries, is up over 13% this last week. And again, in my position, I'm up a little over 29%. Okay, so continue to watch these stocks. BitMine Immersion Technologies, which is a proxy for Ethereum, and Oklo. Oklo goes boom this week, up over 70%. Also, let's take a look at the news real quick. Okay, so we had the Dow Jones up 0.37% this Friday. We also had the S&P 500 up 0.49%, and NASDAQ, the big heavy tech stocks, including Tesla, Apple, Microsoft hitting a high of $517 per share. SoFi was in the Russell 2000, but because SoFi working with the rate cuts, they tend to expand. Plus, it's also a software as a service, so even some small cap companies got involved. Okay, so again, Nasdaq was the highest index of stocks, up 0.72% this Friday. But also, we had several other companies in the S&P 500 and in the Russell 2000, small caps. So now we'll finally look at my portfolio. Okay, SoFi Technologies hitting a record high of $29 per share, up 4.98% for a gain of $583, my top stock today. Okay. Also, Oklo, which I purchased yesterday, up 28%. Oklo shares go boom again. Tesla shares got into the rally, up 2.21% as well. Okay. Palantir Technologies, the data analytics company, up as well. I can't stop talking about the companies. Apple shares up 3.2%, and Soundhound shares up 3.98% a day. So as we notice, Once tech gets hot, all shares go 3% or more. Okay, we got Uber Technologies up 4%. Okay, we got Barrick Gold Mining Company up 9.67%. But just to stay on the tech, we got Uber, Alphabet, uh, CoreWeave with the data centers. Okay, Oklo, Soundhound, Apple. If you just had 3% on $10,000, that's a little over $300 per move. Okay, so we see my Tesla shares completely uh, average of 3%, but my position size a little over 19,000. So again, the move in Tesla, if you just had 3% of all big tech in a full position of $10,000 or more, you'd be up a little over $1,200 today. All right, so again, top stock again, SoFi up 4.98%, but oncoming newcomer Oklo goes boom again, up 28% on the day. Okay, so that's my video. I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank everybody for listening. Please like, share, and I'll see you on the next one.